Good day, teachers. I'm Naryusa James Bride, and as a part of our research of the effectiveness of reciprocal teaching strategy, I am pleased to represent the audio-video teaching guide for English 4, Quarter 1, Module 5, with the topic of summarizing story events. This video will serve as your step-by-step guide on how to apply reciprocal teaching in helping your learners identify, arrange, and summarize the important events in a story. Let us now go through each phase of this module and see how the 4 case steps of RTS, predicting, questioning, and clarifying and summarizing can be used in your classroom. To test the prior knowledge of your learners about story events, let them answer the short activity in the What I Know. Give clear instruction and enough time for the learners to read the short passage about Anna taking care of her garden. Ask learners questions such as, what is this passage mostly about? What details show what Anna is doing? What sentence best tells the main idea? This activity introduces the predicting stage of RTS. Learners start forming ideas about the story and its important details before moving to deeper understanding. After completing the first part, integrate the first case step of RTS. Read the story Aliza and the Butterflies found in the What New section. After reading, I will ask the learner questions. What do you think will happen next? Where do you think Aliza will go? How do you think the story will end? Explain that during predicting, learners make educated guesses about what they are reading. This sparks curiosity and engagement to learn more about the story. After the predicting activity, elaborate and discuss what summarizing story events means. Use the example and explanation in the What is it section of the module. Summarizing means telling the most important parts of a story in a right order but using fewer words. Throughout your discussion, apply the questioning stage of RTS. Ask guiding questions such as, who are the main characters in the story? What important events happen first, next, and last? How was the problem solved? These steps help learners analyze the sequence of events and understand the structure of a story. To check learners' understanding of the lesson, let them answer the additional activities in the What's More section. Use clarifying steps of RTS while reading the story Emma's Garden Surprise. Ask, are there any words in the story that you find difficult to understand? What does the word dopey mean? How did Emma help her flowers become healthy again? Encourage learners to use context clues or dictionaries to find meaning of unfamiliar words. Ask learners to reflect on what they have learned from the story Jake's Birthday Surprise. Let them answer the questions found in the What I Have Learned section. Ask, why do we summarize story events after reading? What are the 3 most important events in Jake's story? How does summarizing help you understand the story better? This step allows learners to think about their own learning and apply what they discovered about summarizing story events. To increase retention and mastery of the lesson, allow the learners to work independently for the rest of the activities in this module. Give clear directions and provide ample time for the learners to answer, and offer assistance to those learners who might have difficulty. To end the lesson, review the 4 steps of the reciprocal teaching strategy: predicting, questioning, clarifying, and summarizing. Remind the learners that by using this strategy, they can become independent readers who can easily understand and recall the important events in any story. Thank you for watching, and may we continue to inspire our learners to read, think, and summarize with understanding and purpose.